Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. If you're using TikTok and you want to turn your TikTok sound into a ringtone, so let's see how can you do that. So you just need two different apps for this. So very first, we're going to open our TikTok app, and here just select the video of which sound you want to set or use as a ringtone. So for example, I'm going to select anyone from here. Here, let's say this one. Just tap on this share option and then tap on download option, and the video will be downloaded. So once I have downloaded the video, you can see it in your Photos app. Now go back from here. So the very first app is open your app store and you have to simply search for MP3 converter. Just search for the app and you'll get a lot of apps here, but I'm going to use this one because I have already installed it. So just tap on this open option here, and here you just have to select the video which you want to use on. So for example, I'm going to tap on this plus option here and select photos. So we have saved our video in our photos app. So I'm going to open my photos app here. Just select the video which I have just downloaded. Then tap on add option here. Once the video has been added, tap on this and here just select MP3 from here. Then you can customize output volume. Then tap on this convert option and just wait for it until it converts. Once the video has been successfully converts, you just have to tap on ringtone option here. Once you have tapped on ringtone, just select the GarageBand option. So the second app is GarageBand. You have to open the App Store, go for search, and search for GarageBand. So once you have searched, you just have to install this app. After installation, go back on this page, select ringtone option here, and select your GarageBand option. Once you have opened, it will be open into your GarageBand app. You just have to wait for this until this export has been completed. So just wait for this loading here. So once the loading has been completed, you just have to tap on that or just go back from here. And here you just have to keep a long press on it. Then select the share option. Select ringtone option from here. Then select this continue option here. And here you just have to rename your ringtone. So for example, I'm going to enter any name here. So once you have entered the ringtone name, you just have to tap on this done option and then tap on export option here. So here just select use sound as and then select standard. So once you have done, so your ringtone is now ready. You just have to go back from here, open your settings app here, then go for general, or you just have to select sound and haptics option, and here just select ringtone, and you'll get ringtone here we have just added. So in this way you can easily turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.